Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, Urdu Fashion World. In today's video is all about on tops design for girls. In 2023, fashion trends for girls are all about embracing individuality and comfort. Top designs are no expectation to this rule. Here are some of the top trends. Oversize everything tops are making comeback, from baggy t-shirts to roomy sweaters. They provide a relaxed and effortlessly look like. Vintage reveal, vintage inspired tops are hit. Think of 19s crop top, tie-dye and retro graphic, giving a nostalgic twist to the modern outfit. Sustainable styles, eco-conscious designs are gaining popularity. Brands are using organic material and sustainable practices to create stylish tops that are good for both and environment. Bold patterns, vibrant patterns like floral, animal print and abstract design are in vogue. Mixing and matching bold patterns add a playful touch to outfit. Statement sleeves topped with a dramatic sleeves such as puff sleeves, bell sleeves and ruff sleeves, making statement. They add flair and unsequences to everyday look. Monochromatic outfit, matching tops and bottom in the same color and a chic sophistication. It's an easy way to create a polished outfit. Minimalistic bases, high quality minimalistic tops in a natural color are wardrobe essentials. They offer versatility and lifetime. So here are my today video. We met in next video. Allah Hafiz.